So track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today there is a very top news today in the YouTube channel. Now let's talk about the Jamaicans male sprinting event. Jamaica has not been performing in the male side of the sprinting event. You all know what I mean, because if you are truly a track fan, then you would definitely know that it has been a while we have a Jamaican winning the 100-meter male sprinting event since Usain Bolt retired. Now Usain Bolt has been a force in the male sprinting. He has been winning and winning and winning, and when Usain Bolt suddenly retired, we have seen a drop in Jamaican dominance in the male sprinting event. And the reason behind this is probably because definitely the Jamaicans are not lucky, but finally there is good news to the Jamaicans, because they have finally founded someone that is definitely going to replace Usain Bolt. And let's not forget that Oblique Civili was able to run the final race in Budapest World Athletic, but he was not able to get a medal. The same thing to Akin Blake. He has not been performing recently. Now the guy that a lot of Jamaicans believe that he is going to replace Usain Bolt is Kishane Thomson. He is very dominant, and let me jog your memory and let me shock you, because he recently defeated no one else, the fastest man in the world 2023. And the reason why I believe Kishane Thomson is the next Usain Bolt is because of his height. He is very tall, so there is probability that he is definitely gonna be the next Usain Bolt, because he has recently beat no one else multiple times. So a lot of Jamaicans are proud of Kishane Thomson. Probably he's gonna be the next.